Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get out of safe mode in your Android phone. So at first, if I turn on safe mode, just swipe down and then tap on this power icon, then touch and hold on the power off icon, then tap on safe mode to enable it. Now the phone will take restart to enable safe mode. So just give it a moment, and the restart is complete and you can see safe mode has been enabled successfully. Now just unlock your phone. That's it. Now if you want to disable or get out of safe mode, just swipe down and then tap on tap here to turn off safe mode. Then tap on turn off. Now the phone will take restart again to disable safe mode. So just give it a moment, and the restart is complete and you can see safe mode has been disabled successfully. Now just swipe down and disable flight mode from here. When you enable safe mode, then flight mode will be turned on automatically. That's it. And that is how you can get out of safe mode in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.